Why are you going like, oh, up my butt? Was it? Curry. Now go in. No. It went in the net. It went in the net? No, not really. I have broken ankles. No. No, I don't. Yeah, you always got rid of voices, I thought. Why did you change it to jeans? Because I'll be my pants. Oh, how did you just dump? Yeah! How did you just dump? Yeah! What? That's fine, we do. I mean, it's cool. No way I missed that. No way I missed that. I'm not copying you. Oh, I'll call that no goal. I said I call that no goal. That's it, Betsy. Hi, sticky. Ah. That's all. That is unfair. You're doing it. You did it. That's what you do. Well, at least I'm not Quasso. Your Katie's so brown. How am I? How am I then? Dr. Sam. What on? Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. My fault. Okay. I forgot that. Toe drag. Oh, yeah, you're doing that thingy. Toe drag release. Yeah, that's it, Betsy. Toe drag release. Oh, I'm so scared that you're gonna hit my face. Give me that. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hey! I tipped it over you. Oh my! What a save! Where'd it go? Oh, got it! If you're doing... That's it, Betsy. Oh my God. Oh. Betsy, so bad. Stick ball. Yeah, sure. Stick ball. Do we da ba da ba. She be do. Bam 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 bam. Give me your new ring steak. You're just giving. Oh my goodness. Next game is gonna be toe drag release. Toe drag release. That's it now. Toe drag release. That's it, Betsy. Toe drag release. Toe drag release. I'm wasting time. I want to go to overtime. Colorado's gotta win this. At least they. No! Oh my god!
Far down.
Ah, that was so close.
Stick poke.
Where are you going?
Stick poke.
Oh my! No! No! Ow! He go boss man mode.